What it means is that we'll be able to increase our encampment management level of service, so we're all pretty excited about that. We understand that the impacts out there are significant, and we want to make sure that we're able to reduce the amount of encampment-generated trash and debris as much as we can from entering our waterways. You'll see the encampment cleanup crews out there more often. We will now have 2 crews instead of 1 crew, and it will allow us to focus, more efforts on reducing the amount of trash and debris that enters the waterways. This year alone, we removed 1,267 tons of encampment-generated trash and debris, and we hope that next year, with this increased labor force, that we'll be able to remove more trash and debris.